Hello, today we will guide you through how to change location and country on eBay. Start by opening your web browser and going to the eBay homepage. This is where we'll begin the process. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your account settings. Once you're on the site, look toward the top left of the screen and click your profile. This opens a quick menu with options related to your account. From that menu, select Account Settings to move into the Main Settings area. Inside Account Settings, choose Personal Information. This section holds your core account details, including the country or region attached to your profile. On the Personal Information page, scroll down to the bottom. You're looking for the area labeled Personal Info. It can sit below sections like Sign In and Security, so keep scrolling until you see it clearly. When you're in the Personal Info section, click Edit. This lets you make changes to the fields within that area. Next, click the entry for country or region. That will open a list where you can pick the location you want associated with your account. Select the country that best reflects where you're using eBay. Take a moment to confirm your selection, as it can influence how items are shown, the currency displayed, available delivery options, and applicable taxes or import fees. After choosing your country or region, click Save. This applies your changes and returns you to your account details. Give the page a moment to update. You should soon notice your browsing experience reflect the new region, including localized search results and shipping estimates tailored to that location. A few helpful notes as you finish up. Changing your account country affects the overall marketplace experience, but it doesn't retroactively change details on orders that are already in progress. If you're a buyer, this helps ensure you see accurate shipping costs and delivery times for your new location. If you sell on eBay, the country setting can also influence fees, available seller tools, and policies, so it's wise to review your listings and preferences after the change. Keep in mind that the account country is different from your delivery addresses. Those can be reviewed separately in your address book if needed. That's it. You've updated your eBay location and country by going to your profile, opening account settings, heading into personal information, locating personal info at the bottom, editing country or region, selecting your country, and saving your changes.